Hello everyone, I'm Kyla and welcome to my channel. This is going to be a little unboxing video about this item that I got from LV last year. As you can tell, this was their Christmas packaging, which is very cute. I love shopping during festive seasons because you never know what packagings each brand is gonna come up with, and honestly they're all usually pretty cute. So let me just take this out. I'm not really sure why I got this even, but I just did, just because. I figured why not, because I'm in Singapore and they actually just increased the taxes by 1% this year, so why not buy something just because the tax is going to increase so you can save money. Gold math, I guess. So this is the mini pochette. It comes with a gold chain here, which you can actually remove the strap on one side to make it sort of like a hand carry if you want. On this side, you can just reloop it here. You can just hold it on your hand like a little mini clutch. My daughter Kia can probably use this in a couple of years, so it is just a very cute bag to have. So this is what it looks like. It just comes with one huge compartment in the middle. This is the first time I'm opening it since I actually got this item. So I have here another SLG from LV, so it fits a lot more, but it is a lot thicker as compared to this one. So in terms of price point, this was a lot cheaper, but then again, I got it a couple of years ago, so right now I'm not sure what are the prices. I will probably look for it and link it up here in case you are wondering which SLG to get. This one definitely fits a lot more stuff. I even have an organizer in here, and yet I can just like really stuff this with random things. As compared to this one, it is pretty slim, so I don't think I'm gonna fit much. I can fit my phone, and let me see what I have in my pouch. I have a sunblock for kids, and probably it'll be able to fit my car keys as well. And this is a very, I'm not sure, it's a very girl thing to do, but if you have a little clip, you can just clip it right here. So in terms of how much it can fit, I would say not much, but it can fit the bare essentials that you would like. I don't think I'll be getting an organizer for this just because it is really too slim, and if I were to stuff in an organizer, it would just take up extra space. So this is great, especially if I want to stuff this and just, you know, just to pack my larger bags a little bit. So I can just put my essentials in here, for example my lipstick, car keys, and then maybe tissue paper or whatever it is that I want to put in here, and I just slot it into my bigger bag so that if I just want to find everything, it is all in one space. So I guess that's probably what I will use it for. As you can tell, I really have no idea what I want to use this for, but I just got it just because. But I kind of really like using it as I like how it looks like this. Just easy if I'm just going to the market maybe. I think you can get like an additional longer chain if you are planning on using this as a crossbody, which may look quite cute, like this. Maybe you can get a little longer chain that you can attach to the two sides. If you're interested, I will definitely link it below. I will find some for you guys that you can probably try out if you want, because they do sell chains like this that you can just attach, and since there are already two, what do you call this, D-rings here, so you don't even have to get an additional hook. You can just hook and add on to what's already here. But the thing that you must note is that you can't remove this existing chain completely. You can only remove one side, whereas the other side is kind of like sewn into the bag, so you will not be able to remove this portion here entirely. So if you do add on an additional chain, then this chain would kind of just be dangling in front like a little bag charm, I suppose. So anyways, yes, I hope you enjoyed watching this little mini review, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, I will try my best to post every single week, but of course things has been crazy busy, which is obviously a good thing for me, but I still hope that I will be able to post more. So if you enjoy watching videos like this, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, bye bye.